What are you doing, Dan? Huh? Did you just wake up? Huh? Huh? You're such a good girl. What did you do? Huh? Are you looking at your page? Yeah? Oh, was that a hi for everybody? Huh? Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. It's supposed to be all about you now, huh? Yeah. Oh, she just woke up, guys. Yeah. Oh, she's got bed fur. She has to make sure that her fur is purry. Okay. Say I love you, Pan.